Hello, I am Aldo, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Mexico. Today I'm going to show you how to use AWS Transit Gateway to configure AWS Direct Connect as the primary link and a VPN as the secondary failover link to your on-premise resources. Let's get started. First, we need to create a Transit Gateway. Open the Amazon Virtual Private Cloud console. In the navigation pane, choose Transit Gateway. Next, choose Create Transit Gateway. Enter a name tag and then choose Create Transit Gateway. It might take a few minutes to provision the Transit Gateway. Next, we'll attach our VPC to the Transit Gateway. In the navigation pane of the Amazon VPC console, choose Transit Gateway Attachments. Choose Create Transit Gateway Attachment. Select the Transit Gateway and then select the IDs for the VPC and the subnet that you want to use. Finally, choose Create Attachment. Now we'll create an AWS site-to-site VPN and attach it to the Transit Gateway. In the navigation pane of the Amazon VPC console, choose Site-to-Site VPN Connection. Next, choose Create VPN Connection and then enter a name tag. For target gateway type, select your Transit Gateway and then select an existing customer gateway for the VPN. If you don't have a customer gateway, then choose New. Enter an IP address and the autonomous system of your customer gateway device. Then, select the routing type for the VPN. You can choose either dynamic routing, which is a border gateway protocol route, or static routing. Note that for static VPN routing, you must define routes that use a less specific CDR than any other dynamic propagate route. For local network CDR, choose the IPv4 CDR range of the customer gateway on-premise side. Then, for the remote network CDR, select the IP range of the AWS or VPC side. Choose Create VPN. It might take a few minutes to provision the site-to-site VPN. Next, we'll attach the Direct Connect Gateway to the Transit Gateway. In the navigation pane of the Direct Connect console, choose Direct Connect Gateways. Select your Direct Connect Gateway and then choose Gateway Associations. Choose Associate Gateway. Select the Transit Gateway and then define the list of prefixes that you want to advertise from AWS to the on-premise network. In this example, our VPC has a prefix of 192.168.10.0.0/24. Finally, choose Associate Gateway. Now, we'll create a Transit Gateway route table and activate route propagation. In the navigation pane of the Amazon VPC console, choose Transit Gateway Route Tables. Then, choose Create Transit Gateway Route Table. Enter a name such as VPN DX Failover, and then select the Transit Gateway. Finally, choose Create Transit Gateway Route Table. It may take a few minutes for the procedure to complete. Next, select the new route table, choose Association and then choose Create Association. Select the VPC attachment, Direct Connect Gateway and VPN attachment and then choose Create Association. Choose Route Table Propagation and then choose Propagation. Select the same attachment to propagate routes. Finally, we'll configure the route table that is associated with the VPC attachment subnet. In the navigation pane of the VPC console, choose Route Tables. Select the route table that is associated with the attachment subnet. Choose the Route tab and choose Edit Route. Choose Add Route. Enter the on-premise subnet CDR as the destination and then select the Transit Gateway as target. To save the change, choose Save Change. So now you know how to use Transit Gateway to configure Direct Connect as the primary link and a VPN as the secondary failover link to your on-premise resources. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.